Good morning, fellow Toastmasters. Welcome to District 80, Division A, Club Officers Training, Part 1. My name is Ramanpreet Kaur Bhatia, and I'm taking you to a virtual training session for Club Central under Leadership Central. Let's start. This is my home screen. I am already logged in, so I'm shown as Welcome Ramanpreet. What do I have to check on this window? About, Pathways, Education, Membership, Leadership Central. This is where we are concentrating right now. Click on Leadership Central. Go to Club Central. Now, this is the Club Central homepage for Marine Parade Toastmasters Club. Since I belong to Marine Parade, this page is showing. Our first tile is Add Membership. When we click on Add Membership, it by default gives us an option to add a dual or reinstated member. A dual member is one who is a member of another Toastmasters club plus who is joining our Toastmasters club as a dual member. A reinstated member is a member who was a member of Toastmasters International but because of certain reasons just continued his or her journey, and now we are reinstating that member. But here I am adding a new member, so I'll click on New Member. It asks me for the details. Say I'm putting in all the details. Roy C. Ravi. Say mail. Primary email ravi@gmail.com. Add another email address if you want to add another email address, but right now I'm not adding that. Country is India. Dwarka. Delhi. Zip postal code. Delhi has only one postal code. And sponsor information. Sponsor is a member of Toastmasters Club who is sponsoring or introducing this new member to our club. So if I click on that, it gives me all the names of the present members of my club. And if the sponsor is not in my club, I will click here and add the required information here. This slide is the contact preference of the member, the way he or she wants to be contacted by Toastmasters headquarters. It is to remind everyone that this is a confidential matter and will be used only by the headquarters of Toastmasters International. If a member relies on assistive technology such as screen reader, we are not clicking on that, and then is the read and accept of terms and conditions. I confirm that a complete new member application is on the file with the club. So I'll click here and I'll click submit. Now after I click submit here, it creates an association of this new member with our club. But remember, this association is not complete unless we make a payment to Toastmasters International. Therein, this member will be reinstated in our club roster. What is the club roster? We'll see further. Let's go back to Club Central. Submit payment is our second tile of club membership window. We click on submit payment and it takes us to the window which shows all the outstanding information. Say for these members, their renewal is pending. The amount is automatically calculated. If I just add to the cart, it will take me to the membership cart. This is a new member I have added. Since I have not submitted the information of that previous member, these members we have added the information. Now we just have to see the start date and the end date and add to cart. If we go to our membership cart, we'll see the renewal is pending for $45, and for the new member, the amount is automatically increased to $87.50. Why? Because there is a $20 one-time processing fee charged by Toastmasters International in case of new member. So we go to continue to payment information. We'll just review our cart. We'll review the payment. This is the price renewal, this is the new member, this is the processing fees. We'll add our payment information and we'll submit the payment. After we submit the payment, these two people will be added to my club roster automatically. I'll go back to Club Central. Next is our window of Submit Education Awards. Always remember that this is one of the most important window of Club Central. Remember that any award that is achieved by a member of the club is not completed unless it has been updated on Club Central. Who can complete the level or project completion request? Base managers. Who are the base camp managers? President, Vice President Education and Secretary. These three people can approve the completion request on base camp, but the submission of education award can be done by any EXCO member. And the award submission is not complete unless you file it on Club Central to achieve the most rewarded DCP points. You go to Submit Education Award. We see the club member name, say LX. What education award? So these are the pending education awards. Note that right now the awards which are showing are only the pathways, and in case of traditional curriculum only advanced leader silver is showing. Earlier we used to see here the awards of the traditional curriculum as well. So after I submit, say I submit this one, select this one, review, then members ID, name, selected path, and then I click the submit award. I go back to Club Central. Club roster. Club roster is basically a register, a manual for your club members. What is that? It gives you all the information about the name, the physical address, the email address, the phone number, the contact information, whether the member is pathways enrolled or not, what is the present title of that person or the present path that person is pursuing. All that is shown in club roster. You can view, download and print club roster. I'll take you through the club roster, but I'll take you through quickly because this belongs to Marine Parade Toastmasters. So I'll just show you. That will be a quick review. The names, the address, the edit option if you want that. And then there is an option to convert it into Excel or print it. Come back again to Club Central. This completes our membership window. Now we come to club administration. The first one is club officer assignment. It's a review, update and setting of club EXCO members. So right now it is set for Marine Parade, president, term start date, term end date, vice president and so on. You can view, download and print this information as well. Go back to Club Central. We see the club financials. Club financials shows the financials of the club, and it gives and it keeps and saves the financial for the past 3 years. So anyone who wants to go through the club financials can go to this window and check out the financials for the past 3 years. I'm not going to take you through this. Then we have Distinguished Performance Report. Distinguished Performance Report is your club's report card. It shows what is the level of education right now, how many members are there, how the members are performing, what is the club's performance level as compared to the district, as compared to the area. So we'll just go through that. So it gives a base membership, the goals, this is for the previous year, the goals, the distinguished, select, president distinguished, and how the club is aligned. Then it gives the details about all the awards, about all the points that the club has earned for the DCP program, that is for Distinguished Club Program. Club performance. These are the club goals and these are the club goals in terms of points. And then it gives us all the information about various clubs and how our club is performing. division and area performance. And then we have district performance. So it is basically, in simple layman terms, this is the report card of a club. We go back to our Club Central. So this is our overview of Club Central training. Hope you'll get benefit from that. Thank you.